In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website's button colors using the Site Styles feature. This is a great way to ensure your site reflects your brand's identity and maintains a cohesive look. Let's dive right in. First, head over to any page on your website. You'll want to look for the Edit option in the top left corner of your screen and go ahead and click on it. This is going to give you access to editing that particular page. Next, keep an eye out for a little paintbrush icon located in the top right corner. Clicking on that will open up a section called Site Styles, which is where the magic happens. Now, once you're in the Site Styles panel, you'll see several options. But for today's task, we're interested in the Colors panel. Click on Colors, and this is where you can take a look at your site's color themes. Each theme plays a crucial role in setting the mood and vibe of your website. So understanding how they work will be very useful. The next step involves selecting the correct color theme that your page is currently using. This ensures any changes you make will be reflected right where you want them. Sometimes this might mean you need to click a pencil icon beside the theme to open up and edit its specific settings. Don't worry, it's just a simple click to open those deeper customization options. With your chosen theme open, scroll down to find the section dedicated to buttons within the color theme settings. This is where you'll be able to tweak the background and text colors for different types of buttons, like your primary and secondary buttons. You can also set what they will look like when someone hovers over them, which is a small touch that can make a big difference in user interaction. Before you finalize your changes, make sure to take a look at how your buttons will appear with the different color adjustments. It's a good idea to test them against various backgrounds on your site to see how they stand out and ensure the text remains legible. Once everything looks just right and you're satisfied with the new colors, there's one last important step. You'll need to click Save to apply these new button colors across your website. It's essential not to miss this step, as any unsaved work will revert back, and you might lose your carefully crafted selections. Once saved, take a moment to navigate around your site to confirm the updated look is consistent with your vision. So that's it. You've successfully customized your website's button colors, helping your site stand out while staying true to your brand style. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your website's design.